Guys, you can see right now my makeup is on. Just one thing is missing, and that is doing my eyebrows. So you can see if you have not done your eyebrows, your makeup would look incomplete. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboat Sneha. Today in this video I'll show how you can use your brow pencil to define your eyebrows to get that perfect makeup look. So if you are someone who has scanty eyebrows or even someone who is new to makeup and want to learn how to do your brows, then this video is just for you. Also guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, then I'm Sneha Pradarshini. I post videos on makeup and fashion. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see the stuffs like that. And yeah, on that note, let's get started. Today I'm taking this eyebrow pencil. This is from Etude House. It has got this pencil side and this side it's the spoolie. So using this I'll define my eyebrows and you will be able to see how you can achieve that perfect eyebrow look using this eyebrow pencil or any eyebrow pencil or whatever product you have right at your home. First I'll take this spoolie side and I'll just brush my eyebrows from upward direction to downward direction like so. Once I'm done with brushing my eyebrows, I'll use the pencil side of this and you can see this is very defined brow pencil, so it will be easier to define my brows using this. Now how I'll start, that's very important. You don't have to start right from the front of your brow. You have to leave at least 4 to 5 brows and then you have to start like somewhere from here. And I'll just do like this. I'll define it like so. Or what you can do is you can make a line starting from here and define your eyebrows in the shape that you want. So first I'm defining my lower brow and then I'm going up here and defining it like this. So it's just drawing a straight line, kind of diagonal line in the shape of my brows. So when I have defined my brows, it will be very easy to just fill up the gaps that I have in my brows. So once I've defined it, now the thing left is just to fill in the gaps that I have. I have a scanty eyebrow, so I have a lot of gaps that I need to fill using my brow pencil. So once I've done it, I'll use this spoolie side and you can see now I'll use the now first I'll define my brows that I've already made like this. I'll just brush my brows using the spoolie and then I'll get some product on my spoolie and using that I'll define the start of my brow. The 4-5 brows that I've left intentionally in the beginning, I'll just define it in upward direction like this. This step is important because if you will start right from here, you will get a dark colored hair and that will look too unnatural. Like mostly if you will see natural brows, it looks they are like gradient. So here it will be light shade and then your brow will get darker and darker. So we have to maintain that natural thing. So I can see that right now I got some gaps here, so I'll use the pencil side again and then I'll fill those gaps and then I'll go with my spoolie side to brush them and make them look more even. And then I'll again take this pencil side and darken my arch and the middle part of my brows that is supposed to look darker. So for me it takes like 4 to 5 minutes, but if you have good brows, good bushy brows, then you might not take that much of time like me. So now you can see I'm almost done with this eyebrow. So it's like lighter and then darker and then again light here. So like this, I'll just fill this eyebrow as well. Guys, now I'm done with my brows, and you can see how my face looks like. It looks more defined and my makeup looks complete. So guys, if you learned something new and you liked watching this video, then please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section if you want to see how I did my eye makeup for today. And please press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any new video. So on that note, I'll see you soon. Bye.